Done. It is done. Awesome, guys. It's good, Come on, let's go for today. You're welcome, everybody. Good to have everybody on the call today. And happy weekend. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Whatever part of the world you're joining us from. This is Life Intelligence.
My life is good there.
I have a question. Is that can you talk to me?
No. I'm trying to sort out something. No.
Okay, what's the carry game? What's the carry game? Are you carrying game for this Europa Cup?
I know. I'm trying to tell my to check something.
Let's say what
but we couldn't get what we went for, so I have to tell my partner that with me that I couldn't sort it out. So that's what I'm saying.
Oh, okay. I thought they want to carry game.
Game, okay.
The carry game for this Europa.
Game.
I carry game for this Europa now. There's some people that are so sure, like Germany have been performing well. Likes of Spain too.
Give me money, make give me money, make I bank for you now.
I hear you. It's okay. I don't do that shit, man. Let me put money in the market and let me make the money back, man. Okay. If I afford $100, I know how much I'm going to make. If I don't want to blow it, I just wait for a good opportunity. That is so sure.
I trust your skills.
Double down. Make like two. You do come up with
it. The number pass betting now.
So it is well, bro. It is well, sir. It is well, man. So where do we stop? I know you have done a lot. We did yesterday. We were able to do a recap of some of our losses. We had just 3 losses out of other money trades, out of like 15 or 17 trades that we had last week. Upper week was when we had a crazy wins without just a single loss. And then we were able to do a recap on them. Did we? Yes, we did. Yeah, right, Mr. Eni, did we?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, and then that's what we did. We run around the back testing. Hey, what did you know about back testing? We did back testing on them. So I taught others on how to do back testing and how I do my back testing. Trading journal also realized how we lost that trade and realized how we were wrong. And of course, that's a lesson for me. Going into the market again with that mindset will tell me what to look out for and what to be very careful of. Awesome. Aside from that, I want us to still perfect our price action, because once you know price action, you know what you're looking for in the market, and you know what the next to be done. Next to be done. And randomly, let me ask you a question, sir. Mr. Lenny, on this chart, can you see what are you thinking will happen to AUD? What are you thinking will happen to AUD with this chart you're seeing right now? And then what do you think will happen to AUD? Should I bring it to 4 hours or should I still leave it? What do you think?
Bring it down to 4
this chart. I should bring it to
4 hours. 4 hours. Yes, sir.
You can see what do you think will happen to AUD? What do you think will happen to AUD? Let me shoot for you. What do you think will happen to AUD? What do you think will happen to AUD? What do you think?
I think AUD is going to buy because of the trend line and the zone.
Why? What is backing that your statement? Why do you think so?
Okay. Because I can see a zone in which is my support. I will call that my support. I'll call that zone my support. This zone that he draws.
Okay, Mr. Wale, do you agree with him?
And the trend line is also connecting. Like it's also connecting. It will bounce up the trend line.
Mr. Wale, do you agree with him, sir?
I'll wait.
Mr. Wale.
Sir.
Yeah, he said he's looking out for AUD to buy soon. So AUD should long. Yeah, I agree with him. With this chart you're saying. I just asked him a question that with this chart.
Which area are you pointing at?
This is now this point now. Say with this chart he's seeing now, he said he's expecting that AUD should. I just asked him now, what should happen to this stock? That he's expecting that AUD
Okay. So I need said AUD should buy, right?
Yes. So do you agree with me? Or you share? It's what you're saying. Is it long or short? Can I bring it to lower traffic for you?
I said I would said AUD should sell at that point.
Sell. Okay. Why do you say so? Thank you, sir. Why do you say so? Why? Why do you say so? Good. Why do you say so? What's your complaint?
With the way the trend of the chart is going,
okay,
seems the seller are coming more to the market at that point.
Awesome. How? What's the valid? What's the
like they have larger force in like they are more like I don't know how to put it, Sha, but the force of the seller at that point is more stronger with the look of things.
Oh, yeah, give me the intuition, sir. Yes, I'm feeling on point. But give me an intuition. What's the intuition of saying that? What do you think? What are you saying? And why are you saying the forces of this? What are you seeing? What's your price action conferences?
Okay, my point of price action. It's it shows the lower line, the lower low. I'm trying to check.
Okay.
You can see from the last I don't know how to I don't know how to explain myself better. That's just I'm just in that aspect of it. But I felt
this what? Just tell me, just talk. From which I'll guide you, sir. From which one?
Let me look the chart very well.
So I've checked by myself because I just look at it on my
sir. You're saying what
my
now?
System.
Okay.
Yeah, I can see a major trend line, like on the top, a major trend line. And the sellers are rejecting the buyers now.
Okay.
But it's only a higher low, lower high. I can see a lower high there. That means some sellers are coming to the market now. If it breaks the lesser trend line, that means I'll enter for itself. I'll wait for the confirmation to break that trend line.
Okay. So Wale, what about you, sir? Mr. Wale, what about you, sir? What are you seeing?
I'm trying to see that from the way the trend is going.
Okay.
The lower low.
Okay. This one.
Yes.
Lower low. This one, lower low. This one, lower low. Where's lower low? There's not lower low yet. Where's lower low? There's not lower low yet. Where's lower low? This is lower low here. No, lower than this one. It's lower low. Okay. It's lower low here. I mean, you don't know what you're saying at all.
I don't know how to.
Okay. I mean, don't forget all your.
I don't know how to explain myself at that point, but I know that it should be a sell market from the look of things.
Look at it now from what you were taught. I love everything. Look at it. I mean, you need to explain yourself. Look at it from what you were taught. You were taught price action now. I thought you get price action now. So look at it from what you were taught. Look at it. I didn't just explain itself now. This is okay, which is on one side. I will answer to that later. It is longer, right? So you need to say your own too, sir.
Start level.
We milk this cell. Hope you know, sir, Mr. David, Mr. Dan. This cell we make it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we milk the cell.
Yeah, you know, if you can remember this chart, I actually sent it to you. You can remember,
you do, sir. You did. I will sorry, we are waiting, sir. We are waiting for you.
I'm too. Yes.
Yes, sir. Wait for you. Okay. What's that? You still don't know how to explain yourself?
Yeah, so I don't know how to put myself to.
Anyway, Mr. Ayeni, what will I say? You say you change your mind that it's now a sell market, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Like I actually brought it out from my own chart.
From your own chart. Hi, it's not a short market. Wow. It's okay. I will say that you are wrong, sir. You are wrong. Yes, you are wrong, sir. But in the long run, you are right. You have been right before in the short run, because what will happen next? Because that's why I tell people that even though you see your mentor is buying and you are selling, the question is just that he may be selling for a short time and you may buy for a long time. That doesn't mean that you are wrong. Or you are, at the end of it, but so because of you're always copying people, I don't buy, you don't even trust your own strategy, trust your own setup and everything. You always follow, and you also be wrong. And you even know when it's opting out. So in the long run, sir, you'll be right. But at the moment, being a day trader, we tired the moment time, the moment. Oh, that's what I'm saying. The moment will happen at the moment. What it go happen at the moment? As the main play of the market, what's going to occur? As a trader, that's what you're after. If you are a screen trader now,
That's the reason why I put the trend line into consideration on the zone. If it actually breaks,
you change your student now. You said it to this now. Okay, that means with what you said, that means if you are waiting for the breakup, then you'll be right. Because
yes,
if you have to wait for the
that's what I said.
But that's what I said. You didn't say you said the test. I can mark you. I'll give you 6 over 10, 7 over 10. I won't mark you fully. Because of what? You didn't make the full statement. Just like you telling me, okay, I asked you what is a name of this guy. Full name of this guy said Victor. You don't know Osimhen again. You forgot Osimhen. Because you said Osimhen. Then that's the same Victor Osimhen. Another person could be Osimhen. Might not even be a footballer or we don't know him. So that is it. You must be able to tell me in details. And I want to agree with you. Oh, exactly. This is Victor Osimhen. So you only said it will break up. If you break up, you join in, you'll be in red. You don't tell like that. Because every breakout, they must do what? A massive test, no matter what. It must jump back and retest. And this happens to be what? A zone. So you must come and retest a zone or this trend line, either of the two. And it finally goes for a smooth journey. So at the moment, you will be wrong. So what? This is a buy market. But for this Tokyo, it will sell. For Tokyo, Sydney, it will sell. Why? What am I saying? I've seen a first leg come back here. Second leg will come to this point where you can begin the buy. And this from this point to this point, I told you this thing now. I told you over yesterday, sir. I told you this point to this point can make it to be 2 sessions. You can do all the sell from here to here now. Short till for the whole of Tokyo session. And even if you didn't know yourself, you can do it. Okay, it's crazy. You just move. Till you come back here, you now begin to. Then at New York, now buy. Then maybe tomorrow, or they say tomorrow, the next tomorrow, the next following day, that's a Tuesday. Then from here, we should now begin to do the massive. Can you see now? That is crazy. You can even do everything for 2 days. Funny enough, all of this stuff, all of the buy, you can do it for 2 days. Funny enough, you first do the selling and you do the buy. So you're wrong, but in the long run, you'll be right. So that's what, except if you're a string trader, if you have told me that you said, then I'll agree with you. They have to come back for the witness at the breakout, then take yourself successfully. You're fine. With this small week, this bank candle will come and fill it up. We'll see come back, come and fill it up here before the buy can happen. Based on my experience in the market. Don't look out, guys. The sell is still coming out. I told you like yesterday. So I just opened what I did. I only opened one position because I knew that no matter what, it's still coming back. Because of what? It came here, it didn't complete the second leg here. And it came to go. I was thinking, this market, is it going or coming back? Let me open one position. In case it goes. Sometimes markets are funny. It may not even come back again. Second leg, and just go like that. So let me open one position. Whichever position it gives me, I will take it like that. Than to what risk all my positions to meet. Because I mean that it's not possible. He has to do double top before he can continue. Am I talking, people?
So yes, I want to ask a question. Sorry,
yes,
was the market you marked the last time? What did he later form? What
yes,
you
sir.
said?
Yes, sir. We did that. Let's go to our EURUSD. You did that, yes, sir. Let's go to it.
It's later formed one of those.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Mr. Any confirm that. Yes, sir. I gave you guys 3 stocks. I gave you 3 things will happen. That we don't stick to it. We don't stick to it. Yeah. We are not traders that will show pattern for you. She. They play. It might do different stocks for you. So we don't do that she and go here, she then come back. No, but there are possibility ways that it can do, and we are to it. And Mr. confirmed that it was the 3rd one I did. You know, I told you guys. So this was the 3rd one. That he did the third
Yes.
one. Look at your notes and confirm. Right? So the third one I did.
Okay. Okay.
That's what he's doing. He's doing the third one I showed. I showed us a first, second, third, and the third one. You know,
Sorry for throwing back on that. Sorry for throwing
sir.
back
It's
on
good
that.
because you were not in class.
My mind just flagged back on.
No problem, sir. It's fine. It's fine. So I said that you only do with 3. That's the worst that can happen. That 3 will always happen. Either the 3 will happen, and then it did the third shape, which I asked you guys to do that time. Do that, and you could see that it's doing that. You did it the first time, second one, you did this, and it did what they thought it was. So that is it, guys. So if I've been a widget trader, yeah, come and do here, come back here, go here. No, you'll be wrong, because your perception in the market, once it goes against you, you'll be like, you might be confused. But if you're open to anything that happens, because of what, I'm just not here to make money, bro. I'm not saying anything. Bro, just do anything for me. Let me be able to interpret that thing you're doing so that I can make money. That is the agenda here. I'm not trying to be an analyst. I'm trying to be perfect. Yeah, trying to be out of my imperfection. Make money. I ain't my own. I'm not talking, people.
Yes,
So that should be the mindset. That should be the orientation. That should be the that should be your core curriculum about the market. Okay. So
I have a question. I have a question about this market.
Okay, sir.
I can see something that looks like M pattern there, but I don't know.
Okay, because
so
I do this stuff,
not that one. On the top.
This one.
Where it started in another structure. No.
This one, Abi.
At the top. No, I'm not talking about
this one.
That one and the one.
This one, ba?
No, that one you touch. That one
this
you touch first. Yeah, exactly. And that one at your right.
This one.
Yeah, exactly. And that one. Is it an M?
Okay, yeah. Sure. It is. This is the head. This is shoulder. This is shoulder. Yeah, it is now. That's why it fell. And I said that too. It was already showing a lower distance. Yeah, lower height.
That's news. That's news.
Yeah, it is. So that is it, guys. I hope that is clear.
Yes, sir.
So let's go back to where we are starting from. So as I was saying, guys, this would definitely do a buy first. After they complete this, but once market open now, it will sell you. No worry.
It will come down.
Market opens. Yes, exactly. It must do it before it moves. It must. It's a must. We stop here, or stop here, or stop here, or be longer than this other one. The pattern could even be like this. Can you see? Then go. Can you see? So it can even be like, it may not even be equal. It may pass itself. It doesn't. It must come down. Once I see some confirmation, I'll add more positions. Taco. I'll add more position once I see that it's already confirming that the bullish are coming in already. So I'll add more positions. Add more positions to it. So for that, why I said it to break is just what I said it to come back is what. Look at it, Mr. Eni. Remember I told you. See, first one. Remember I told you guys why we are going for buy. Why I told you guys first thing. Look at this. Let's go. Let me show you. This was what?
Resistance.
Mr. Wale, this is what? You don't use everything. Wait, no, you don't use a chopper. I mean, you don't have travel.
Really?
What is this, sir? What is this?
The support.
The support. Okay, but also what's just this? What was the formula as well? This is support. What's the formula as well?
It's forming like equal.
Awesome. That says that if something was meeting a point here, the first one there, the first bounce, second bounce, third bounce, and it's what? It is what? It did what?
A lower low.
lower low, broke it, at least it broke it. And I told you, whenever a break up comes out, it will definitely do what?
Whenever a break up comes down.
Yes. Whenever it breaks, it will still what?
I don't remember that. I'm sorry.
Whenever it breaks, it will retest. It will come back and retest. I showed you, it's not last 2 weeks or so. That's how we were on. We saw the breakout happen at the point, and we didn't see the breakout. And we are still trying to sell something like that. So the breakout is this. So it's coming down to come and do another. There's something around here or here. Then before I can go finally. So you can move finally for the sale. You didn't do this one. Let me put mine. We look at this sale. When they put this in there. We look this sale. Let me small. Let me start. Okay, it was here we started from. We look this sale this morning. I never put myself. I never put myself. I never put myself. I never put myself. We make the sale this morning. We can't have that this morning. We look on where this morning. So that is for that. So, however, another thing that could happen is that this thing is also crazy though. This might also be the retest though. Don't forget to, and this thing might break this thing and maybe to go. Once I see the force, I will opt out from my own position. That is to say that that is it. I see now.
Then when it breaks the trend line, it will come back to retest
and everything.
Then
and just not showing that you want to retest, you want to come back. I will opt out. That's how another thing in the market. Flexible. You're not being rigid that I must do this one. Say, but do this. I am market. I get down. So it's not that market, it's not a father's market. So this man might even be the witness. And it's not even coming back to come and do the same and break this thing with full force. Once I see that full force and everything, opt out. Full force. I see the way sellers are coming into the market with full force, not trying to drop weak, trying to relax and do double or anything and trying to see, but opt out immediately. Stop loss you is around here anyway. What's good? You accept your loss. That is it, guys. You don't have to trade. You don't stick to, hey, you must do what you wanted to do. Don't be so the ground. Am I talking, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so that is the outlook for this period. And then we're taking it since Friday. And one position, the buy, just a short scalp buy to something around here. So that close. They will go for sale. Let me now explain why it is sell market for you. Aside from the breakout, see guys, why this market will sell this. The next, Andrew, hi. The next, let me explain. Talk. Now. See, this is the highest we had. We had this year, we had it here. After this ISI, Wale, can you see? What's this guy? Mr. Wale, what is this? I mean, sir, what's that?
Hello, what is it?
What's this, sir? What's this? This top, what's it called? What's it?
It's an high.
Is that high? What's it in looking at this structure? What's it to this one? What's it?
It's a lower high to it.
So what's not the lower high? What does it imply? What's the intuition of that?
It shows that traveling is going on a downward trend. That should be the indication of a sell.
Except that, what's the intuition? What's going on in the market? What's going on between buyers and sellers? What's the intuition?
Okay. The sellers are trying to the sellers are trying to drag the market down, but buyers are coming into the market. So that's what's.
What are you saying? That's coming. How are they coming in? How about coming in? Come on, what are you saying now? You are contradicting yourself. What are you saying? Look at it and talk.
The buyers are already in the market, sir. The buyers
are already in the market. Coming to the meeting, they are coming.
The sellers that are trying to do something.
See now.
You are getting it, but other way around. You got it.
See the movement, sir. See the movement. It's still going. It's still trying to go up. And besides, this is a higher high here. Higher high here. This was the lower high here. Then we did higher high here. Another lower high here. Then it fails to do a equal high or higher high. And it stopped there. Then you are telling me that, yes, no, now. This implies what? Mr. Eni, what does this imply? After we have a higher high here. What does this imply?
Yes, sir. Yeah, a lower high.
Yes, what's the intuition, sir?
The intuition is that buyers cannot even buy it up to the previous high. Like they are getting tired and sellers are rejecting already.
Thank you, sir.
So they can't.
Do you get that? It's okay. Thank you, sir. Do you get that, Mr. Wale? Please,
Yes,
please, interpret that, please. Say that again, please.
Yeah,
no, I'm trying to Mr. Wale to now correct himself.
Let him come again. I can't hear him very well.
Okay, come again.
Generally, the trend is a buy trend, like upward trend. So the buyers are trying to when market is going up, it will be like higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So it has formed a higher high already before. So it's formed a lower higher low. So that means the next move should be higher high, lower high. So the next move should be even more than the previous higher to continue the structure to bullish structure. So the buyers are now trying to push the move. Meanwhile, they don't have enough trends. Maybe some people are going out of the market, taking their profit. So sellers are now coming into the market. So they are not allowing even equal. They don't allow equal. So that means the buyers' strength are reducing. So sellers are beginning to come into the market and trying to pull it down. So they can't move up to even equal. So that means they are not even strong. The buyers are not strong. I don't know if you
do you understand now, sir, Mr. Wale?
Yes.
Now, you repeat what he said, sir. Now, let me hear you. So.
With what is in the market now, it shows that from the highest high that the high that has been formed.
Okay, this is this one, right?
The highest,
or which one?
Highest one.
Is it this one? And or this one?
Yes,
this
one you have touched.
Okay.
Yes. So, and now that the buyers and the market, but they couldn't meet up. They couldn't reach. They couldn't pull the market to that extent of exceeding the highest high in the market.
Okay.
Which shows that they are no more. Their power is not. The power of the buyers is not that strong to pull to exceed the highest high that has been formed by the sellers.
Okay.
By the trend by the self trend. So which shows that the sellers are still very more powerful in the market. That's just what I'm saying.
Perfect. I will tell you why that is happening. Why buyers has to drop down. Why their power was shank. I'll tell you. Let's join for the next class. I want to record this short. I don't want to be too long. So the next class will be maybe the last class, I don't know. So let's join the next class. Let me call this short, guys. So let's join immediately.